Making content for social media can honestly feel like a full-time job that never ends. You spend hours writing scripts, setting up lights, and filming the actual content, only to realize you still have to edit the whole thing. Then comes the tedious work of wrestling with thumbnails, realizing you missed a crucial reaction shot, and having to set everything up all over again. Before you know it, a single piece of content has turned into a multi-day project that drains your creative energy. That is exactly why repurposing your content is a total game changer for your workflow. Instead of recreating the wheel for every single platform, you can just take your long-form horizontal video and turn it into vertical clips in minutes. Today, I want to walk you through how you can flip a standard 16:9 video into a ready-to-post 9:16 clip using AI tools and not in some boring manual way. I will show you how the AI finds the good bits, how you can style them so they don't look like chopped leftovers, and how to cue everything up. If you are into scaling your content without burning out, this approach is going to save you so much time. First up, simply open your repurposing tool of choice in your web browser. Upload the horizontal video you want to repurpose to get started. If you have got a backlog of podcasts, interviews, or long tutorials, you can batch upload them and let the artificial intelligence do the heavy lifting for you. Once the file is uploaded, you will see options to choose your output format. Want to create content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts? Just pick the 9:16 aspect ratio. The smart part is that this AI doesn't just slap the horizontal frame into a vertical box and call it a day. It analyzes the entire timeline to find the most engaging moments like punchlines, emphatic statements, or key audience hooks. It then proposes short clips that are actually optimized to grab attention instantly. You will get an auto-generated list of clip suggestions, which are essentially the highlights of your video. It will provide multiple clip lengths that hit the sweet spots for each platform. It even suggests perfect intro and outro trims, so your clips never start or end awkwardly. You can preview them, pick the ones you like, and edit any of them if you want to keep certain context or add a small intro. Now, let's talk about the creative part. When you switch aspect ratios, a lot of people panic about black bars or chopped heads. Instead of manually zooming and keyframing every single second, you can rely on the tool's smart framing suggestions. It auto-centers the important faces and action, but you can always nudge the crop if you want to show more background. If you want to add brand flair, like a top banner or a logo block, that is super easy to do. Just drag in a shape, pick your brand color, and place it where it won't cover your subtitles. Subtitles are huge for short-form content success. The system auto-generates captions with high accuracy and places them in readable zones so they won't be occluded by platform UI. You can style the font, size, and background stroke in just a few clicks. Pro tip, always leave a little breathing room at the bottom for platform UI like captions or the creator's name. One neat thing is adding waveforms or audio-reactive visuals, those little bars that animate to the beat. It gives clips that pro edit polish without you having to sit in complex software. When you are happy with the look, export settings are straightforward. Choose the target resolution and pick your quality to ensure you aren't losing any resolution in the process. Then, instead of downloading one clip at a time, here is where things get next level. The auto schedule and content calendar features let you set your posting frequency for the entire week. You can preview the schedule, drag and drop to move posts around, and tweak captions per platform. It is perfect for creators who want consistent output but don't have time to post manually every single day. Let's compare that to other options, because traditional editing suites are powerful, sure, but they are heavy and way slower for repurposing. You would normally need to manually scrub, create crops, export versions, and upload them one by one. The platform we are using is built around this exact workflow: intelligent clip selection, fast vertical repurpose, and an integrated publishing pipeline. There are limitations to be realistic about, because no AI is perfect. Sometimes the auto-cuts miss context, or a suggested clip might need a quick touch of trimming. But that is the trade-off for speed, and you always maintain final creative control. A few workflow tips I picked up include batching your uploads. Put a week or a month of long-form content in at once and let the system churn through the queue. Standardize your branding by having a couple of saved templates so you can apply them quickly across all your clips. Use the calendar tool to avoid content droughts and keep your audience engaged. Okay, let's finish with a quick real-world example. I took a 12-minute tutorial, uploaded it, and within 20 minutes, the AI suggested 8 shareable clips. I kept 5 of them, added a top banner, and queued them to post consistently throughout the month. If you are serious about scaling your channel, repurposing intelligently is the move. Give it a try today. Upload a recent long-form video and let the AI do the heavy lifting. Go make the most of your content and let technology handle the tedious work for you.